Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Susan Heanes, and it's cup number Cup 1070548_846, and it's called Beautiful Poinsettia and Roses Christmas Basket 8x8 kit. You get 4 sheets in the kit and it fits an 8x8 inch square card. Now there's lots of decoupage, tags and greetings, and it is a beautiful kit for Christmas, and I think you're going to like this one a lot. I want to run through what you get in the kit and then we'll make the gorgeous card. So the first sheet that we have is the main image for the base of our card front. We've got lots of different sentiments and including a blank one for you to be able to add your own sentiment. Maybe you rubber stamp, or maybe you've got beautiful handwriting and you want to use that. Our next sheet is the first layers of decoupage. So we've got part of the main image and then we start building up the poinsettias and the roses. Next we've got another sheet of decoupage to build up. Now you can use as much of the decoupage as you want. You don't have to use it all. It's up to you how far you want to build the design. We've also got a gift card and a gift tag. Gift card and a gift tag. And then our last sheet is the matching insert. So a beautiful kit and ideal for anyone at Christmas. So I've got a white 8x8 inch square card. And I'm going to start off, and on the back I'm just going to add the gift card, the gift tag. And I've got double-sided tape on the back of it, and I just think it ties the card in nicely, and then it looks professional and it gives it just a little touch of elegance, a little touch more of elegance, should I say. So we've got our gift tag and I'm just popping it towards the bottom on the back of the card. Now for the insert, I have cut out the actual insert panel. I've put it on flat double-sided tape so I can peel away the back of the tape and then add this to the centre of my card. There we go. And press it down. I've also taken one of the roses for the decoupage layers for the front. I've put a little bit of flat tape on the back and I'm just going to add that to one corner. And then I've taken one of the sentiments that says wishing you a very Merry Christmas. Another little bit of tape on the back. And I'm going to just slot that underneath part of the rose and add that to the bottom of the card like that, just to give it a sentiment on the inside, so you've still got lots of room for your message and whatever you want to write. So now we can create the front of our card. I'm just going to use my bone folder to make sure that's a nice sharp crease at the top, and I'll just use my bone folder by running it along the edge. Can't speak today. And then that will make it a little bit more professional looking, shall we say. And it just makes it stand up nicely. So our first layer is the actual main image itself. Now the main image for any new crafters is slightly smaller than the actual size of the card, but it leaves a nice border around the edge. So you can either add a layer of coloured cardstock or leave it as it is. And on this occasion I'm going to leave it as it is because I think the white edge matches perfectly to the actual design. So we're going to pop the main image into the centre of the card like that and press it down. There we go. So now we can build the decoupage on the front of the card. So the first layer is quite a large layer. I've got 3D foam on the back, and we simply marry up the design from underneath to where we're placing it on top, like so. Press it down. Our next layer is the full basket, and I've got to say, as decoupage goes, this is really easy to cut out, and it all works so well together. I've got 3D foam on the back, so I can add the next layer like so. Then the next layer, and I just want to show you a tip. If you're a new crafter and maybe you've never cut out decoupage before, this is a great kit to start with, because all the design is on a white background. So Susan's designed the basket with a white background, so when you cut out, you don't have to cut right to the edge. You can just cut out, leaving some of the white section, because it will still marry up perfectly. 3D foam on the back of this layer, and I'm going to position it over the previous layer like so. Our next layer, again with 3D foam on the back. So this is the roses and the poinsettias for the centre, and this will just marry up nicely through the middle of the basket. And then our last layer is the centre of the roses and the poinsettias, again on 3D foam, and it will just marry up like that. And then I've just tied a double bow with a little jewel in the centre, and I'm going to add that. Now I'm a bit indecisive here. I don't know whether to add it to the side of the basket, the top of the basket, or above the basket. And I think for easiness, we'll go for the top of the basket. You can add your ribbons if you want to add any embellishments wherever you like. But I'm just going to go for the top of the card like that. And that is our card finished. Our insert matches perfectly, and the back ties it all together. Such a beautiful card. Now you can search for any of Susan's designs by looking for Susan Heanes on craftsuprint.com, and I just want to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 1070548_846, and I would just like to say thank you so much for watching. I shall see you next time.